Thanks for hanging out with me today. I had fun. I hope you did as well. If you liked my video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Also, if this video made you think of somebody, you should send it their way and say, hey, I thought of you because you like pheasants, or something really random like that. But yeah, it helps me out, and we get to hang out with more people that way. Be sure to tune in next Friday because I make these videos every single Friday. That's my promise to you guys, that we can hang out on Fridays. You know, it's just a great way to start the weekend. If you have any ideas of what I could draw for a future drawing video, be sure to leave that below in the comment section. I love reading through those and getting inspiration from you guys. And I think that's about it. So I will see you guys here next Friday. Bye!